paradoxes, which is paradoxes are ambiguous. But it depends on the context, whether it's a noun or a verb or adjective or adverb, pronoun. It's a whole different grammatical subject. So paradoxes is based on contradictory, polarity, coexisting polarity or coexisting contrast, a contradictory, like the wave medium, the wave particle duality in light, no commonality whatsoever, side by side. There's a polarity, there's a dichotomy. Right? Each object or each image has its own distinctive characteristics. But there's a polarity. We call juxtaposition is when you place side by side. Incongruity. Incongruity is incompatibility, when two things don't mesh together. Don't mesh together, you know. It's like ice cream and a cigarette lighter. So you see, that's not a polarity, and that's not a duality. That's a contrast.
See, a number of vaccines that children have progressively over time been made to take more of. Mm-mm. Do you have any opinions on how that, if at all, might be affecting the frequency increase of spectrum cases?
There's a number of different. Just juxtaposition of incongruity. Basically, you place two objects or two images or two